Hi guys, day 26 building in Notion. So today I was working mainly on different themes for the template. I found 3 nice banners for green, yellow and blue. Tomorrow we'll search for pink, purple and red. I'm searching in Pinterest. They have so much different pins, how to say, banners, pictures, and everything. I'm looking for GIFs because I like how they, it's like a short video, but it's also eternal video. You can see, you cannot spot that it starts or ends. It just spins around, and I really like it. I really like how it looks in Notion. Apart of that, it was, I think, for 1 or 2 hours, I was just adjusting all the colors to match the banner. So it's like all the icons, text, background of the different databases inside the template. It was not really cool job, but you have to do it. Yeah, this is the main focus of the day. Tomorrow I will continue with this because I think it's important to have different colors, different designs to suit different tastes and like attract more people or to make it pleasable for more people. But yeah, that was day 26 and see you in the next one.